Oh, what's she doing?
Come on. Don't be late. Prop relax to start you off with some
Yeah. Okay, you can frown. She's got the camera going.
We've got a lot to talk about. I'm just going to step back, let you soak it in for a minute.
Oh.
This moment is not about me. It's about you.
Okay.
Let him go.
Thank you for letting me soak it in.
What? What? Oh, you gonna cough? What? What? What?
You know what my funeral was? Watching a bunch of coyotes pick my carcass clean and drag my bones off into a cave.
Okay.
Into a cave, boy.
Tell Mom you're done now.